I've ordered some items from Amazon and had a friend ship it to me from the States. All these items are either not available in Canada or it's super expensive. So I'll do an unboxing to show you what I bought. So these are Lilly's white chocolate chips. We have the dark chocolates here, but these ones, I have some recipe ideas for them and they are sold online in Canada, but it does cost more and I have to pay for shipping. So in this bag are the extracts from Olive Nation. Olive Nation is a great brand. I've been using them for a few years now. The selection we have here in Canada is very limited, so I took the opportunity to order everything that I wanted. And in this bag is 20 pounds of Yolo Sweetener. This is the main reason for my order. And what is this? It's red boat salt. I've been wanting to try this since forever. I can't seem to find it online to have it shipped to me. I thought my friend was just going to give me a small amount to try, but she gave me a whole bag. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And here are some more extracts. Oh, I almost completely forgotten about this. In this bag is a goldfish cookie cutter. Any guesses what I want to keto-fy? If you've guessed goldfish crackers, you got it right. And here are all the flavors of the extracts that I got. I'm not sure what I want to make with them yet, but I want it on hand when I have some ideas. This one's the marshmallow flavor extract, honey, Grand Marnier, rum, and jasmine. This one is natural apple, and a premium mango. And this one here is the pure liquid monk fruit. This was so expensive, but it will go a long way. I want to use it for a couple of experiments that I have in mind since like 2 years ago. And last but not least, Papaya Extract. I just want to take this opportunity to thank all my Patreons for their support and for their contribution to fund all my keto experiments lately. Their generosity and support made all of this possible. Thank you again and see you next time.